Education is the backbone of a person, family, and society. The type of education imparted to people decides the future of this earth. The Nirman Society for Holistic Education has been constituted for such type of educational development which concentrates on the holistic development of the person. Nirman School for Holistic Education focuses on the all-round development of a child. The holistic philosophy of Nirman considers the four sectors of a child to be developed practically. These are health, education, environment, and communication. Dictionary meaning of holistic is to emphasize the organic or functional relation between parts and the whole. Holistic education is a philosophy of education based on the premise that each person finds identity, meaning, and purpose in life through connection to the community, the natural world, and to spiritual values such as compassion and peace. Holistic education aims to call forth from people an instinctive reverence for life and a passionate love for learning. Nirman is an effort to provide holistic education that would bring a constructive change in our attitude towards children, including their growth and development. The present system of education is producing professionals for commercial and material gains. The overall aim of Nirman is the development of human resources through holistic education. We express that the education must prevail in society in a holistic manner, and it is only possible through holistic and multidimensional learning inputs. Kids are like tender plants. We are to nourish the roots to see good fruits. Learning is like a celebration at Nirman. Home-like environment makes the children feel as easy as in the lap of mother. We believe that the personality of a person is firmly stands on three pillars which are the core areas of focus at Nirman. First is education. Modern learning aids value-oriented education, well-qualified and expert faculty, scientific language formula, disciplined living, burden-free curriculum, multi-sensory learning. Health. Regular medical checkup camps, regular physiological assignments, emphasis on physical, emotional, cognitive, social and spiritual health, unique diet policy, natural food habits. Environment. Eco-friendly environment, environmental education, education for natural living, wildlife education, away from pollution, organic practices. Montessori method of education to children as the pre-primary teachers of school has got the training of Montessori. Our school teaching of pre-primary classes is based on methods of Montessori as it makes the child as one who is naturally eager for knowledge and capable of initiating learning. It helps to develop children physically, socially, and emotionally. All these objectives are successfully being achieved by the highly trained and qualified staff of Nirman, whose training and workshops are conducted on a regular basis to stay updated. To prepare our students to take up the challenges of the future, we provide a strong base in value education. Human values are inculcated in the students to make them responsible citizens of the world. The morning assembly at Nirman set the tone of the day. Thoughts of the students are directed towards spiritual and moral values through prayers and spiritual music. Light warming exercises are also done to set the pace of the day. In order to ensure the all-round development of the children, the school provides ample opportunities to engage in variety of co-curricular activities. Among these activities are dance, dramatics, drawing, clay modeling, music, sports, karate, games, etc. At Nirman, children are taught to participate in maximum activities to appreciate the rich cultural heritage of Punjab, India, and to develop their personality to the full potential. Students learn to participate in traditional elements of the society by learning fine arts like classical dance and classical music. All students are inspired to draw, paint, and make clay models. Sports are also given an equal importance, and the students are encouraged to participate in various games under guidance and supervision of their teachers. Every year, the annual day of Nirman is celebrated with great zeal. Meritorious students are awarded, and all the students are given chance to portray on stage what they have learned throughout the year. Moreover, throughout the year, Nirman keeps observing various days and celebrations so as to give all the students an opportunity to show their skills in front of a large audience on a stage.